Hello, my dear friends. First of all, a very happy Independence Day to all of my students. My name is Ajay Gurati. I'm an income tax officer. Plus, I'm also the author of advanced maths and arithmetic books, which are available on Amazon by the name of Brahmastra. So, once again, my dear students, a very happy Independence Day. I wish all of you all the success. I wish you work hard. You may succeed in all your dreams, but don't stop working hard because until and unless you work hard you won't be able to crack any sort of exam. Competition is too much stiff in our country. Everywhere, in every field, there is a lot of competition in our country, maybe because of population. So in order to beat that competition, dear students, you will have to work very hard. Don't waste any sort of time. Don't waste time gossiping with your friends. Don't waste time on social media, maybe chit chat, WhatsApp, whatever you are doing, Facebooking and all that stuff. Try to avoid all the distractions. Please focus very hard on your studies. Don't let this precious time go away, run away, otherwise you will repent at a later stage. So my dear students, let's start with the today's topic, and it's basically coding decoding part. So let's start with that. Okay, I'll make sure I present it to you in a very easy manner, and you understand it in the very first attempt. So let's start with that. So students, let's start with the questions. The first question given to us is, if in English alphabet E and every alternate letter from E onwards is written in capitals, then how 6 months from March will be coded? Small language mistake in the exam maybe. How 6 months from March will be coded? First of all, what will be the sixth month after March? See, this is March. Okay, how it will be 6 months from March will be April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months will be, after 6 months it will be, after 6 months it will be what? It will be September. So far things are clear? Yes, they must be clear to all of you. So after the sixth month it will be September. Now we need to code September. How to do it? See, either I can directly show it to you there, or also I can present to you a ABCD chart shortcut so that things may become more easy for you. Okay. See, now how will I write September? We are being told every alternate letter from E onwards. From E onwards. See, let's say this is E. Alternate from E means what? This is E, then it will be G. One gap. Then alternate letter will be I in this way. These letters will be written in capitals. Okay. And these letters will be written in capitals. Every alternate letter from these will be written in capital. Rest all will be written in small letters. So we need to write September. Let's see how will I write September. S. Has S been marked? P, Q, R, S. Yes, S has been marked. So S will come in capital. Okay. Then S, E. E will be written in capital. Okay. Then P. P will be written in small. T will be written in small. E I know will be written in capital. M will be again written in capital. B will be written in small. E will be written in capital. R will be written in small. So your answer is SC, then P C. Let's see, do we have any option? Option number first is neglected. Second appears to be to option B. Capital SC, small PT, capital EM, small b, capital E, small r. Yes. So you have got your answer very easily, dear students. I hope it is clear to all of you. Should I move to the next one? Just let me run this. I hope this is clear to all. Okay. So we have this next question now in front of us. Now students, I want you to give a bit of thought process to this question. We are given a code clever, and how is this clever written? Look, what is the code? The code is clever. It doesn't matter you write it small or big. This clever is being written as X OVE, OVE, VI. One thing is clear, students. What is that one thing which is clear? First of all, I need to write smart now. Okay. Please, students, listen. First of all, I want you to pause it for a while. Try it yourself. If you are unable to do it in the first attempt, then look at the video solutions. Okay. Just give a bit of thought process to this question. One thing is for sure. See, I gets converted into V. E gets converted into E. V gets converted into E. Again, E gets converted into E. So it means there is a fixed coding. Like if E has been replaced with V, V has been replaced with E. That is the main thing. If suppose A is replaced with X, the X will be replaced by E. This thing is for sure. Okay. This is one thing. Next, this coding is not changing, and R changes it to I. R changes into I. So when R changes into I, so here also my answer will be R will change into I. Now what should be your answer? Your answer should be the second last digit should be I. Look in which options is the second last digit I. Just have a look in which options is the second last digit I. Here the second last digit is not I. This is not possible. Here also the second last digit I is not possible. Sorry, this is possible. Here also the second last digit is not I. Here also the second last digit is not I. So easily done. Look at it. You haven't even solved the question. You have got the answer. Okay. But I, being a teacher, will tell you each and everything how this thing is working out, and I'll tell you a lot of shortcuts for this. How to look at the things. How to look at reasoning questions. What should be your way of observing? Okay. C. E changes. First of all, C changes to X. Where is C? This is C. C changes to X. I'll say I go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Then I say L changes into O. This L changes into O. Where is L? This L is over here. It changes into O. Now it is not that sort of math. So think of something else. What I observe after carefully looking at this is, see, first of all, ABC. First, second, third. This is the third from the beginning. O, C changes into X. This is 1, 2, 3. C change means how much, whatever I am ahead in the alphabets now, its coding will be same from the behind. Like 3 places ahead, 1, 2, 3. 3 places behind, 1, 2, 3. This will be rank this way. Okay. Now comes the main part, how to observe, how to get the codes fast. C has been changed into X. What should be, L should be changed to C. How will I observe now? See, suppose I need the code for L. I tell you a logic. L is how much ahead? L is 12 ahead, but there is no logic in counting 12. I won't count 12 backwards. What I main logic will be, see, if I move 3 rows down, 1, 2, 3, I'll reach M. And L is one back, one behind. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll move 3 rows up, 1, 2, 3, and L will be 1 back. O. So L changes into O. Let's say E. E is from the starting exactly 1 beneath. So Z will change to from the starting 1 beneath V. Getting it? E changes it to V. Exactly. What is V? V from the end is 1 row up. So its code will be from the beginning 1 row down. R. R is exactly 2 rows up, okay, from the end. So its code will be exactly 2 rows down, I. R changes it into I. Now let's look for smart. How will I do it? Smart is like 2 rows down, 2 rows up, 1 behind. 2 rows down, 1 behind. It will be H. So here will come H. Just look how easily we are doing it. We are not counting A, B, C, D, 1 back, 1 front. What we are doing is we are just taking how much front, how much back. After, then it is M. M is exactly 1, 2, 3 rows down. So its code will be 3 rows up. 1, 2, 3. It will be N. Then comes A. A is in the beginning. First from the beginning. It will be Z from the last. First from the last. Z. T. Look at T like this. 1, 2. 2 rows up and 2 behind. Okay. 2 rows down and 2 behind. G. H and Z I G. Do we have any such code? Yes, we have such code, and I am sure it must be clear to all of you. So my dear students, you got it very comfortably, very conveniently. Let's move to the next one. Let me rub this portion first. Then we will look more into ABCD sort of questions. Let's see what next is coming. I'm covering all your previous year questions. So dear students, this is the next question which is in front of you. Volkswagen is written as UKQMRYIDP. Then Switzerland is written as, okay, I would be happy if you try it. Let me write it, okay? Excuse me. Volkswagen. WAGEN. Now we need to tell the code for Switzerland. In such sort of question, students, it might not be working here, but try to find if you have anything repeated. Volkswagen, I'm unable to find anything which is being repeated, okay? So no problem, leave it. Now what is the code for Volkswagen? The code for Volkswagen is U Q K M R U Q K M R Y Z I D P. This is the code. Now, what do I need to do? What do I need to do is, let's look at the code. V, then U. Let's see V after U after V. V, S T U V. So it is one behind actually. So I can say this is -1. This is what? This is -1. Okay. Then O changes to Q. Let's look at what's happening. If O changes to Q, this is O, P, Q, 2 places ahead. Okay. I hope it is readable, +2. Okay. Then L changes to K. Where is L? Yes, this L changes to K. Again -1 behind. K changes to M. K changes to 1, 2 ahead. So what is happening, dear students? It is happening is first 1 behind, then 2 ahead, 1 behind, 2 ahead. Just for the sake of being sure, let's check one more. This is -2, this is +2, so next one will be -1. Let's check. S gets converted into R. S gets converted into R. The next one is W. W will be 2 ahead Y. W will be 2 ahead Y. Yeah, so this is the coding. Now let's change. It will be like what? S, it will be -1. W, it will be +2, then -1. Okay. And you will very easily able to solve the answer if you just even look at the all the 4 options. You just check the first 3 codes, you will get the answer. S will be changed to -1. S -1 is R. So S -1 is R. Next, W. W +2. W +2 is Y. W +2 is Y. R, Y. How many options do we have? R, Y. 2 options we have. R, Y, H. Okay. R, Y, H. We almost all are same. Let's look at the. Just one more, then I'll move to the last part. Then I. I will be -1. I -1 is H. I -1 is H. Now many of them are same. Let's move to the last one. -1 +2, -1 +2, -1 +2, -1 +2, -1 +2, -1. D will change to -1, so D will become C. Out of the C, first from this R, Y, H, I can directly say that option number 1 and 2 are rejected. From the last code C, I can say option number C is also rejected. Okay, this rejected. This rejected, this rejected, only this is possible. So this option is my answer. All my dear students, I am sure it must be clear to all of you. Very clear? Okay, let's move to the next set. I know this is an interesting topic. So then this is the next question which is in front of you, and it's simply a superb question. You are being given coding like this: January, December is August, March is May, September is September, October is July, then June is. Let me tell you how I started. How I started with this question. Let's say this is my question. Okay, December is August. What did I? How would I started, and definitely how you will start. Like December is August. I move from December to August, 4 rows behind. Then March is May. March comes May, 2 rows ahead. Then comes September is September. Now I got a bit confused. September is September. It actually, I couldn't follow any pattern. Then I also thought September is September. Then October is July. October is July. One more pattern emerged from all this. See, all these are like this one, this one, this one. Apart from this, all are 31 days. December is mapped to August, so 31 days, 31 days. This could be a mapping. March to April, March to May, both have 31 days. October to July, both have 31 days. But it's not working. It's fine. They have 31 days. September to September, 30 to 30 days. But if I look at the option, then June has 30 days. So answer could be anyone between 30. That is April. It could be April. It could also be November. But I'm not sure how to map this thing. Why is December mapped to August? December could be mapped to October. December could be mapped to March. December could be mapped to May. There is no fixed pattern. So I moved ahead with certain other logics. I tried. I'll be very happy if any one of you have solved it before I'm telling you the solution. Or you still can do one thing: pause the video and then try it. Pause the video and then try it before I give you the solution. You think you are on the verge of cracking the exam if you can solve it yourself, because you know how to apply your logic, how to apply the logics. Okay, so try to solve it. I'll be doing my duty. I'll be telling you the solution. Okay, let me wrap this. Let's come to the solution. I'm giving you time to crack it. December is coded as August. December is coded as August. March is May. Let me increase some screen space for you so that I may easily be able to map it. Okay, now see December. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has how many characters? December has 8 characters. Okay. If December has 8 characters, if my dear student December is 8 characters, so its code is August, 8 characters. Okay. March has how many characters? 5. So its code will be 5th month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 May. This is the coding for March. September has how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 characters. So September will be the 9th month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is September. Got it, dear students? October is July. October has how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters. So its code will be July. Now you are being asked about June. June has how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4th month. First, second, third and fourth. That is April will be your answer. Yes, this was a typical one. It also took me some time to figure it out, to guess it out. But this was actually a very presentable question, a very solvable question. But if it comes in exam, first of all, you do all those questions in which you have full confidence. Then move to such questions which are consuming time. See, this is a strategy of cracking any sort of exam. Don't waste your time in doing all the questions. Don't make it an ego matter. Start with those questions which you find are to be very easy. Just cover all the easy ones. Then move to the ones which you find are a bit hard to crack. Then whatever time left you devote to those questions which you are finding really difficult. Okay. This is a genuine strategy for all sort of exams, all sort of one-day exams. Start with the ones which are very easy, which you are sure you will crack in very less time. You won't. First thing, you know the solution and you know you will solve them in least time. Second, go for those you know the solution but might take a bit of time, solve those. Third, you take those questions which you find a bit difficult. After covering those, move to the ones which you are finding it very difficult. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Yeah, students. So the next question you have in front of you is, in a certain code, mail is written as ZNVY, then how will film be written in that code? See, students, if you have ABCD written in front of you, then things have become quite easy. Look, a mail, M is coded as what? M is coded as Z. What is the pattern? Either you count 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, or what you can do, 1, 2, 3, 4 ahead. Getting it? M is 3 rows down, 1 rows ahead, 1 column ahead. A, 1, 2, 3, 1 ahead. N. Look, and whatever I am telling, is it correct or not? Mail is coded as ZNVY. Just have a look at it. This M is coded as Z, A is coded as M. We have checked them. I, how is I coded? I, 1, 2, 3, and ahead V. Yes, exactly. I is coded as V. L, 1, 2, 3, 1 ahead is Y. Okay, so ZNVY. ZNVY is your code. Got it, my dear student? ZNVY is your code. I hope it is very clear to all of you. Okay, now what is being asked? Film in that code. How will I write the film? The code for film. FILM. See how easy it becomes. F, 1, 2, 3, 1 ahead S. How many of the options are there which start with S? Only one option is there, that is your answer. Just to confirm whatever we are doing is correct, let's do the code for all. I will be coded as, I we already know will be coded as V. L, L is already know is coded as Y. Okay, then M we already know is coded as Z. S, V, Y, Z, there wasn't anything to do. You could have directly figured out. See, here L is coded as Y. Again in this option L is coded as Y. Which options show the third option as Y? Third character as Y, only first option shows third character as Y. You could also do it like this. I is coded as V. I is coded as V. Which options show the second character as V? Again, only the first option shows the second character as V. This could also be the logic for solving this sort of question. Okay, let me rub it. So let's see, students, what is the next set given to us. We are being given numerals, then codes for them are letter, symbol, code, this. Following conditions apply. Okay, first of all, numerals are converted into codes, but with certain conditions. What is the condition for the first one? The condition for the first one says, the condition is, if the first digit as well as the last digit is odd, both are to be coded as X. We are given a code, we need to convert it. It's like, suppose if I say my first digit is 9, then 2, 3, 4, 7, 5. I need to convert this. What will be the procedure for conversion? If the first digit as well as the last digit is odd, if these are odd, both of them will be written as X. So it will be like X and X. Then you will convert it into 2, 3. 2 is what? Okay, 2 is at the rate. Here from 2 is at the rate. 3 will be coded as a star. 4 will be coded as a 7 will be coded as a E, like this. The other thing is, if the first digit as well as the last digit is even, suppose I say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then what will happen? both are to be coded as dollar. This will be dollar, this will be dollar. Then you will convert the rest. 3 you will as multiply. 4 is A. 5 we already know. 5 is B. 6 will be what? 6 will be a F. 7 will be what? 7 will be a E, like this. The last thing, if the first digit, okay, if the last digit is 0, it must be 0, it will be coded as hash. If it is something like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0, so this will be hash. Rest you will convert as it is given in the question. Let's move to the question we are given. So the first question is, find out the combination for 4 8 7 6 9 2. 4 8 7 6 9 2. I'm very sorry. Let me write this again. 4 8 7 6 9 2. It is like this, okay? What I will do, my dear students, four and 2. How will the 4 and 2 be coded? Look, if both are even, then there will be a dollar sign, okay, in the front and back. How many options show you a dollar sign in the front and back? Only option number 4. You don't need to even solve it. But still, for the sake of confirming, for the sake of surety, let's solve it. 8. 8 is coded as how? 8 is coded as K. Do I get K? Yes. Then we have 7. 7 is coded as E. So far it's going smooth. E, yes. Then 6 is coded as F. 6 is coded as F, and the last one is this 9. 9 is coded as M. Do we get the same answer? 9 is coded as M. Yes, we get the same answer. So my dear student, this is the answer, and I hope it's an easy one. Before I do the next one, I give you an opportunity to do it. The next one what we have, dear students, is find the combination for 713540. Now this is the main thing. We have done it earlier. 71350. We were told if the last character is a 0, you will put a hash for that. 2 options have hash. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. 7 is coded as E. The 7 is coded as E. Done. 7 is coded as E. Next one. 1 is coded as how? 1 is coded as percentage. Am I looking at any such thing? E, percentage. So far it appears that option B could be the answer, but none of these could also be the answer. Let's do it fully. Rather do it fully to make sure that there is nothing like none of these. 3 is coded as a multiply sign. 5 is coded as a B. 4 is coded as a. Do we have any such option? E, percentage, multiply, B, A, hash. Yes. So this is your answer, oh my dear students. Got it? Done. Okay. Should we move to the next part? Yes, we should be moving to the next part. Okay. Let's look at the next question, dear students. 7650892. I think this is very easy. You just need to apply the code. There are no rules which you need to follow. 8, 9 and sorry. I'm very sorry. It's a 2. 7605882. What will be the code for this? There are no rules which you need to follow. 7 will be coded as E. How many options are starting with E? 2 options. There is none of these, so you will have to check all these. 6 is F. 0 is R. 5 is B. 8 is K. You can see it. And 2 is what? 2 is at the rate. EFRBK at the rate. EFR Zero is R. Zero is R. Let's look. We have E F R. E F. So none of these is the answer. Since no option is matching, so you will say E F R B K A K at the rate. Is it clear to your students? Yes. Should I rub this? You kindly look at the next question and solve it before even I start. What is the next one now? Find out the combination of for 5, 4, 6, 3, 8, 9. We have 5, 4, 6, 3, 8, 9. Both of them are odd. The moment we see first as the last one is odd, both are to become as x. Which options have x in the end? There is one option along with none of these. Okay. 4 will be coded as A. 4 will be coded as A. 6 will be coded as F. It is 8, 3, 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 9. I'm very sorry. It is 8, 3, 9. Okay. 8, 3, 9. How is 8 coded? 8 is coded as K. 3 is coded as star. XAFK star X. XAFK star X. Yes, option 1 is exactly the same. So that is your answer, my dear students. And I'm sure it must be clear to all of you. Okay. Let me rub it. एक मिनट. Now students, what we have is we are given a particular coding series A, B, C, D, E, F. Beneath some codes are written, and now we are given dash is coded as 2A84. Dash is coded as 2A84. We have to tell the code for smash. You have to think about it. I will help you do that. D A S H. You have to tell me the code for S M A S H. Just look at it. D is coded as 2. 2A84. What is happening? Look. 2A84. How is this coding done? D is coded as S. D is coded as 2 actually. D is coded as 2. A is coded as small a. What happened is, see in this first set, 1 back, 1 ahead in the bottom. Okay. SH. S. Where is S? S. S is coded as 8. So again 1 back. H. H is coded as 4. Again 1 ahead. So the coding is going on like this. 1 back, 1 ahead. 1 back, 1 ahead. This is the way the coding is being done in this particular question. So now what do we have to do? Nothing. It becomes actually easy. Let's make the code for our question for the smash word. Okay. Smash. What will be the code for C? S I'll go like this. For M I'll come like this. For A I'll go like this. For S I'll come like this. For H I will go like this. S I go back 8. How many options start with 8? 2 options. Okay, no problem. S is 8ZQE. Every option has 8ZQE. Better check for the last option, because see, first 2 options are rejected. None of them is starting with 8. Third option is starting with 8, but for that ZQE are same. So better, why not just check the fourth part? What is it? H. H will be coded as 3. So your answer is 8, starting with 8 and ending with 3. How many options are there which are starting with 8 and ending with 3? This is your answer, my dear students. Okay. Clear to all of you? You can take a screenshot if you want. I'm getting aside. Okay. You please take a screenshot. After this, I'll come to the new set. Let's take a new set. So my dear students, I present to you the next question. I hope you can easily do it. It's not tough. You will have to think about it for a second. Fashion is coded as Z46TZW. Fashion is coded as Z4T6ZW. Let me write it again. Z64T Z64T. Am I doing some mistake? FASHION. Let me just check it. One option is missing, but still the question won't be tough. Yeah, there was some mistake. I have rectified that. Then we have got till T. Okay. Then the code is 7UW. I don't know why it hasn't been rectified. Let me check it. Oh, I'll do it. Just wait for a second. Huh? Yeah, I think now it has been corrected. Yeah, now we have the options also. But I still don't know why is this code don't reflecting. Just bear with me for a minute, students. The code is 7UW. I've just corrected it, but still it's not showing. Let me check it why. Yeah, now it is showing the code as T7UW. Okay, then 7. How come 7? Then we have U, then we have W. How is this appearing? Now we need to tell the code for position. How will you tell the code for position? Now you need to tell the code for position. See, how is this happening? Look, typical one. If you could figure it out, I'll be very happy. What is the code for F? What is the code for F? F, the code is appearing Z. Here F, 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 F. Beneath F is W. Unable to figure out. Okay, then A. Beneath A is U, but code for A is 6. See, the code for F was W, but W was there in the end. The code for A is U, U is in the second end. So what is happening is the code is being written in the reverse direction. Okay, beneath F, look, beneath F is W, so the code for W is written first. B for A it is U, A is the second character, its code is written the second last. So if I start writing for the code for position, what is the code for P? The code for P is C, so it will start with C, it will end at C. Then it is O. The code for O is 6. Here I'll write a 6. Getting it, dear students? Then S. The code for S is 7. I'll write a 7. The code for I. Next I'll write a code for I. The code for I is 4. Then I need to write a code for T. The code for T is what? T is E. Then I need to write a code for I. Now what is the code for I? The code for I is 4. Then I'll write a code for O. The code for O is 6. And then last I need to write a code for N. What is the code for N? The code for N is Z. So do we have any option Z64E476C? Z64E476C. Yes, we have such option. That is our option number 1 itself. I hope you got it. It must be clear to all. Let's move to the next set. So let me rub this part and show you the next one. Let's solve this one. London is coded as This London is coded as how 5C6 5C6 to Z5. Okay. Then Europe is, how will we code Europe? Okay, dear students, how to code Europe? How is London being coded? First of all, L. L, beneath L is written 5. So 5 is like this, little ahead. Okay. Okay, let's check it. Then for O, the code is written C. It is like this ahead. So it becomes easy. N, the code is written as 6. Yes, correct. D, the code should be written as D. It should be B. For D, it should be London 2Z5. Okay. It is 2 back. For the next O, it is written Z. Students, look at the catch. The catch is, for the first 3 characters, I am moving ahead. Okay. For the first 3 characters, I am moving like this. For the next 3 characters, like D is written as 2, 1 behind. Then O is written as 1 behind Z. N is written as 5, again 1 behind. So now we need to find the code for Europe. For the code for Europe will be, for first 3 I'll moving ahead, and for the next 3 I'll be moving 1 behind in the bottom. Europe. E I'll write as W. U I'll write as 1 ahead. H. R I'll write as 7. For this O now, I'll be writing Z. For this P, I'll be writing 6. For this E, I'll be writing V. Do we have WH7 6ZV? WH7 6 Z6V. This is option number 2 is your answer, my dear students. Got it? 3 ahead, 3 behind. Okay. This was the code for this. I hope you are done with it. And we have done reasonable number of questions for our data interpretation for this part, that is coding decoding. Let's move to the odd one out now. I have a few more good questions. Let's take these 2-3 questions, then we'll move to coding decoding part. Sorry. Okay. In a certain code language, in a certain code language, Oriental is written as, just a sec, students. तो फिर वो मसूरी करेंगे ना, थोड़ा जो फालतू बनता है वो बना देते हैं अभी तो। ऐसे नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन मुझे लग रहा है एक पेन मैंने इधर उधर कर दिया है। Yeah, sorry, there was some technical problem. Okay, where were we? Oriental is coded as MBUOFJSP. Oriental. Oriental is coded as MBUOFJSP. Oriental is coded as this. Now, what do we have to tell dear students? How is cowardly written in that code language? First of all, let's figure out Oriental. How is it coded? See, typical one, I have to figure out. If I take O, I go 2 behind. M. R, I go a lot of behind. No association. I'm unable to find any association right now. But my dear students, you try to figure out what is being done. But if what I do is, if I take it from behind, O, the next letter is P, MNOP, This is P. Next letter. R. Next letter is S. Codes are written in the opposite direction and one ahead. I. What is next of I? J. J. E. Next of E is F. N. Next O. T. P. Q. R. S. T. U. A. B. I. J. K. L. M. So this is M. Now we need to determine the code for. Cowardly. We need to determine our code for cowardly. How will we determine the code for cowardly? Look. C. Next letter of C is D. So C I am writing as D. Done. O. M. N. O. P. Done. W. S. T. U. V. W. X. A. B. P. Q. R. S. A. B. C. D. E. I. J. K. L. M. Y. Z. Z. M. E. S. B. X. P. D. Which option? Z. M. E. S. Z. M. E. S. Z. M. E. S. B. P. X. P. D. Option number 4 is your answer, my dear students. I'm sure you must have got it. It must be clear to you. Next set. Let's look at the next set. Okay. You have the next question. It is also an easy one, my dear students. In a certain code language, mothers is written as, look, mothers. This mothers is written as O M V G. Okay. V G, then O M V G, G P U. G P U. What is happening, dear students? Is it tough? Is it tough? It's actually easy. Look what is happening. M to O. M N O. It is like easily you can find. M changes to O. M changes to O. Let me find the answer marker. Yes, M changes to O. M and O. We have +2. O changes to M. Mothers is written as OM. This is what M and O. It is -2. Just for this particular case, it is -2. Let's see. S T U V. It is +2. E F G here it is -1. Okay. E F G +2. M N O P Q R it is -2. S. S is S T U. T U +2. Okay. So only in this particular part, M V O M V G P U there is -1. Rest all are +2 +1, like the middle one only. What will be brought written as? Look, B. We need to find the code for B R O U G H. But one thing you have to be careful is this U is the main thing. See, it will be like +2 -2 +2 -1 +2 -2 +2, like this. Okay. B +2 is D. R. M N O P Q R. R -2 is P. +2 M N O P Q. D P Q. Do we find something like this? Do P Q D P Q? We have two options. Okay. U S T U. So it will be T now. Which option have D P R T? Yes. D P Q T. Yes, we have G +2 G H I. It becomes I. H -2 A B C D E F G H. So here it will be a F, and T +2 T M A B C S T U V V V is your answer. I F V. Okay, got it, dear students? So this is your answer, D P Q T I F V. It was not exactly straightforward there. If you didn't take proper care, you might end up doing a mistake. This U was the main part, this H was the main part. In all the other there were +2 -2, but in this H there was -1. Okay. So let me show you the next question. The next question we have is, it's a easy one. Let me wipe this part first, then I'll move to the next one. Bold is written as 5 star 3 percentage. Bold is written as BOLD. This is written as 5 hash 3 percentage. Then we have learn, LEARN. Okay, this learn is written as 37 $2. Now we need to find the code for bread. See, B is 5, R is @ E is 7, A is $, and in the last D is percentage. Do we have any such matching over here? The code is 5 @7, 5 @7 $percentage, yes. So your answer is easily done. Option 3. Actually, this is the most easiest one, but so far we haven't done even any single question of this type. So I was looking for something, that's why I added 2-3 more questions, so that I may cover the entire gamut of the possible questions in this particular topic. Now I feel we are perfectly done with coding, decoding. Everything possible in coding, decoding has been covered thoroughly, and I hope I have presented it to you in a very easy and efficient manner, and I think that will be enough. So my dear students, now let's move to our next topic. The next topic is finding the odd one out. In this topic we will be given something like 4 or 5 terms, and we'll have to find a term which does not resemble with all the other 4. That is, we have to figure out which is the separate one from these. Let's start with it. Okay, now let's start with find the odd one out. We have to figure the one which is odd. The first question appears quite easy to me. It is onlookers, theatre goers, queue and spectators. See students, onlookers are those which are looking for something. Theatre goers are those who go to the theatre. Spectators are those who go and watch the movie, who go and watch the shows, anything like that. Okay, but queue is not related. See, queue is not actually a person. Okay, queue is a collection of person like that. Getting it? So queue is entirely different. These are the people who are doing something. Okay, so queue is like a line for non-living people. Okay, it's composed of living people, but queue is a separate thing. These are the people who are doing something. Onlookers, theaters, and spectators are doing something. Queue is generally referred to a collection of people who are standing in a line. Queue is although a collection of people, but still queue is not doing anything. These people are doing something. Spectators are watching something. Queue itself is not doing something. Okay, so the answer is queue. I hope it's clear to all. Next one you have is heart, lung, kidney, skin, liver. You have to tell which one out of these is the different. Find the odd one out. Okay, so heart, pumps, lungs, kidney, liver, all these, what are these? These are inside our body. But when it comes to skin is outside the body, so your answer is skin. All heart, lung, kidney and liver, all are inside your body. Okay dear students, but your skin is outside. So your answer is Skin is your answer. Let's move to the next one. C. Symphony, orchestra, guitar, mob. Which is the different one? It's actually easy. If you know a bit of vocabulary now, you will find it easy. Symphony, guitar, orchestra. We all very well know these are associated with music. These are associated with music. Okay. Symphony, like it's a long piece of written orchestra like that. Okay. Then orchestra, guitar, all these are instruments. These are playing instruments. Actually, these are all associated with music. But when it comes, it is soothing actually. Yeah, music is soothing. But when it comes to mob, what does the mob means? Mob means a collection of people. A collection of people, generally who are angry. Who are angry. Okay. Who could cause those who could cause violence. Who could cause violence. A recent action of Bangalore that happened 2-3 days back. 200 to 300 people went and destroyed a police station. They destroyed a police station. That is called a mob. A collection of people who are there to disrupt something, who are there to destroy buses, who may burn a building or something like that, who may break something, who may break a building, okay, who may vandalize something, like may burn something out. So that is called a mob. So clearly this mob is the one which is entirely different from the this different among these four. This is different from these three. So your answer is, my dear student, this option C, mob. Let's move to the next one. Okay, this is the next question, dear students. I think you don't need my help if you know a bit of things. You can do this question yourself. If you know just the meaning of these things, what these things are, you will be very easily able to do. You will be very easily able to apply the logic. What will be the answer? Flute, clarinet, saxophone, violin. See, students, we know what these things are. Flute is exactly like bansuri. Yeah? Clarinet is also like, see, I can show you the figures also. Clarinet is also like this. You will have to do it like play it with your fingers, peeping, pressing the holes. Saxophone is also like this. Saxophone is something which is like used in the marriages. This has more air coming out of it. The thing is, these three, flute has a same throughout the same. For clarinet, it is like it expands a bit. For saxophone, it goes like this and expands even more. Violin is like you play it like this. Okay. If I show you the images, things will become very easy. Yeah. This is the flute. This is clarinet. This is saxophone, even bigger. But now this is the violin. Okay. So the difference between all these is, the only thing is you have to play it by hand without pressing the holes. You don't use your mouth in this one. In all these three, you use your mouth. So your answer is, what is your answer, my dear students? Your answer is violin. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Choose the word that is not necessarily part of the underlined word. Movie. See, movie, which is not a part of a movie. Movie have a scene, yes. A movie is like moving video. Okay, moving video. So a movie definitely has a video. A movie has a duration also. Any movie, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever it is, half an hour. Movie has a duration. Movie has a dialogue also. Where is the catch? What do we need to find then? Think about it. You will figure it out. Students, a movie definitely has a scene. What is a movie? A movie is something you see. Okay. Mark my words, movie is something you see. You see a video. A movie definitely has a duration. Without a duration, see how a time length, na? Duration is a time length. Movie has a dialogue also. I repeat again, movie has a scene. Movie is something you see. Is it necessary that you hear a movie? There were times when there used to be mute movies. So mute movies did not have any dialogue. So typical one, The mute movies did not have any dialogue, so that way dialogue is the answer. Although all the current movies have dialogues, but still there are a few movies. Still there are a few movies which don't have dialogues, and previously there used to be movies which are mute movies, which did not have any sort of dialogue. Getting it, my dear students? So that way your answer becomes dialogue. Okay, got it? Let's move to next one. The next question we have, dear students, is find the odd one out from the following: expedition, cruise, crusade, campaign. Look, campaign we know is done with a motive. We make any campaign, election campaign, we make a campaign for planting trees, we make a campaign for any particular thing with a motive. So campaign is associated with a motive, it's associated with the objective, it's associated with the objective. We launch a campaign for this particular thing, we launch a campaign for revolutionizing our product, we launch a campaign for promoting our product. Campaign has an objective by which we intend to do something. Crusade, students, crusade is also a campaign, but it has limited objective, like it is for making some social change, economical change, anything like that. Okay. Cruise is like, students, cruise is like, is something without objective. Cruise is like going out for something, riding for going. Cruise is like going on a car or a ship for leisure purpose. Okay, it does not have any objective. We do not change anything. Expedition is also a campaign. Expedition is also a student's campaign, generally for military wars, scientific research, something like that. So all these things, expedition, crusade, and campaign have a objective. All these are sort of campaign. These have a objective. But cruise is like going for a leisurely ride or drive. Cruise is that thing. So cruise is entirely easily differentiable. Cruise is entirely different from all these three. So my dear students, your answer is cruise for this question. Okay. Next question. This I don't think is tough. You will be very easily able to solve it. Find the odd one from the following: windshield, spark plug, clutch pedal, car, engine. Then you are given the four options: engine, car, windshield, spark plug. Clutch pedal is not in the options, no problem. It does. We are not bothered about that. We need to concentrate on the four options: engine, car, windshield, spark plug. How to differentiate among these? See, students, a spark plug is something you ignite the car. Spark plug causes a spark, car starts. Windshield is there to avoid us from wind in the car. Okay, engine is again when the engine starts, the car starts. So all of these, when all of these combine, then you get a car. Okay, all these are parts of the car, but all these are accessories. All these are parts of the car. All these are what? These are parts of a composite thing. That composite thing is car. All these are driving forces to get you, to build you a car. So car is the like end product, composite product of all these. So clearly, easily differentiable. Car is your answer, my dear students. Got it? Okay. The next one is prosper, excite, thrive, flourish. Okay. Prosper. What does the word prosper mean, students? Prosper means like a business prospers, a family prospers. Prosper means increase in your wealth. Prospering means when a family increases its wealth, that's called prosper. Getting it? A business prospers, it increases something. Okay. Thrive also means precisely means increase. When something grows, we call it thrives. Okay. Prosper means again increase of family happiness, family luxuries, or business, anything like. Okay. Then prosper we have done. Flourish is also expansion. Flourish is like a business flourishes, a flower flourishes. What it is? It is expansion. Expansion of a business or something. But the word excite is like you give me a business proposal, you give me a proposal to teach, you ask me, I'll give you 400 rupees per hour. I'm not interested. You tell me you will pay me 1000 rupees per hour. You tell me you pay me 2000 rupees per hour. I get excited to do your work. Getting excited is like getting to becoming active. Okay, become energetic. So that is excite. That is the word excite, to get eager to do something. So excite is entirely different from all these three things. All these three things are associated with increasing. All these three things are associated with increasing. Excited is a just to get into a good state, to feel happy, to become eager to do something. That is called excited. To eager to know what will be the result. That is sort of excite. Okay, so excite is entirely different from these things. Okay, clear, dear students? Okay, so let's move ahead. Let me wrap this part. Let me search for you the next question. So students, I hope so far we have done enough number of questions. Let me remove this photo first of all. Yeah, so we have done enough number of questions on finding the odd one out also, and we have covered a reasonable number of questions on what we call what was the first topic? The first topic was coding, decoding. Okay, so today we have done abundant number of questions on both these topics, and I hope this much is enough for you. You, whatever the question comes, you will be able to crack it in your exam if you practice these questions and such similar questions from any particular book which you have, whichever reasoning book you have, or also like I know whatever the books available in the market have sufficient number of questions. They have topic wise questions also. You just practice them, you will be easily able to crack your exam. I have told each and everything from basic to detail level, from easy to typical level, whatever comes in the exam. So fine, from my side that is all, dear students. I'll come again with this. I'll again say the same thing. Dear students, please study as efficiently as you can. This is a very important, crucial part of your life, time of your life. If you let this time go away, somebody else will crack the exam in place of you, and he or she will get the seat which maybe you are deserving. Okay, you might be intelligent, but if you are not studying at this point of time, you are genuinely wasting your time. You are letting your career go astray. Be very focused toward your studies and crack your exam in the very first attempt. This is always I say, crack your exam in the very first attempt. There is no point wasting a year. Okay, so bye bye from Ajay Gulati. We'll meet again tomorrow. Have a very, very happy Independence Day. We salute our martyrs, and goodbye, good night, bye bye, take care. Happy Independence Day once again.